welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are going to be talking about the basics of blacksmithing. And the first thing that we are going to be talking about is drawing out. And what is drawing out? So drawing out is taking a stalk like this and thinning it down like this. So what you do is you do a back and forth motion. Like that. And so that's just the basic of it. But so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna heat the forge up, and then I'm gonna get this piece of steel red hot, and then we're gonna see what it's like. So let's get started. Alright, so to draw out, what we do is we hit it on this side, then we hit it on this side. And if you notice, it's actually getting thinner. As we do this, it's going to a smaller and smaller point. Alright, so it's cold. So we're going to go in to the forge again and heat it back up. Alright, another heat. And notice how I quickly turn it around back and forth every time I blow. You don't have to do that. You can do something like this. Take a good wax, then flip it over. If you wax, you don't have to do something like this. It's all a preference. Whether you like to do big wax or you just like to do short, small ones that have a lot.
Whatever I have done to stand out, nothing can dispel my doubt. Turn back time, take all into account. The day I make a change, oh, no matter age is right about.
Well, it's done. I mean, it ain't too pretty, but I hope I taught you something. What the? Who's he? Anyway. anyway. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a ton of fun making this fire poker. And I hope I taught you something, which, yeah, I mean, learning something in these times is always good. So I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe. And as always, have a nice day.